all of you mute your mic. Let us start the session. Today we are going to start session number 5 of chapter number 7, coordinate geometry. And today we are going to start area of triangle. Already this topic has been removed for this academic year, that is 2022-2021. I told you that I will complete this topic also and exercise also, क्योंकि क्लास 11th में ये टॉपिक रिपीट होगा, so it is good for you. Lot of time is there, so we can complete the full syllabus. So area of triangle, already you know, area of triangle is equals to half into base into height. But if the coordinates of all the three vertices are given, how to calculate the area of triangle, that formula we are going to derive. Okay, so let the coordinates of three vertices of a triangle be A, that is x1 y1, B x2 y2, C x3 y3. So see this figure, these are the vertices of triangle. And now what we are going to do, we are going to draw the perpendicular lines perpendicular to the x-axis. Okay, so draw from B, from A, from C, we are going to draw the perpendicular line. Let the points be Q, P, R. Okay, so now what is BQ? What is length BQ?
Y2.
Y2, right. What is length AP?
Y1.
Y1, very. What is length CR?
Y3.
Y3, right, fine. Similarly, the length OQ,
X2.
X2.
the length OQ is X2, the length OP is
X1.
X1,
X1.
and the length OR is
X3.
X3, fine. So if suppose you have to find PQ, हम लोग को PQ निकालना है. So how, what will be PQ?
Y2.
एक मिनट, ये वाला ये x2 है, and this one is x1, and this one is x3. So this we will get x1 minus x2. Okay, and how will you get PR? X3 minus x1. Then how will you get QR? X3 minus x2. Okay, so these distances we are going to find out. So first, clearly this figure is a trapezium. This ABQP and APRC and BQRC is a trapezium. Okay, ये दोनों trapezium है और इसमें ये भी trapezium है, BQRC. अब इसमें जो अभी जो लेंथ हम लोग जो डिस्कस किए थे, द लेंथ BQ APCR, दैट आई एम गोइंग टू राइट. BQ इज Y2 and AP is Y1 and CR is Y3, already you told. And next PQ is x1 minus x2 and PR is x3 minus x1 and the QR is x3 minus x2. This we have already discussed. Now see carefully, I want the area of this triangle. Okay, मुझे ये ट्रायंगल का एरिया चाहिए. तो इसमें अभी दो ट्रेपीजियम, ध्यान से देखो, ये दो ट्रेपीजियम, the yellow color and the green color. Are you able to identify these two trapezium?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now see, if these two trapezium, if we add, now if we subtract this trapezium, what will be left?
ABC.
Yes, फिर से देखो, देखो ये येलो और ग्रीन वाला मैं दोनों ट्रेपीजियम ऐड कर रहा हूँ, सो मुझे फुल फिगर मिल गया. नाउ फुल शेडेड इंक्लूडिंग येलो एंड ग्रीन. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू रिमूव दिस ट्रेपीजियम, this the orange color. So what will left? Area of triangle. So how will you write the area of triangle? That area of trapezium, that is ABQP, plus area of trapezium APRC minus area of trapezium BQRC. Whether this is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
So from the figure, it is clear that the area of triangle ABC, area of trapezium ABQP, which one? The yellow one, full yellow one, plus area of trapezium APRC minus area of trapezium BQRC, this orange one. Okay. Now, what is the area of trapezium? Formula.
half into
Half into
Sum of parallel sides into
distance between them.
okay, fine. Distance between them. So, what is the area of parallelogram? Sorry, trapezium ABQP. एक मिनट, मैं फिर से ये येलो कलर का जो ट्रेपेजियम है उसका एरिया बताओ. The two parallel lines.
half into BQ into A.
देखो, two parallel lines are BQ and AP. Okay, and the distance between is PQ. So half into BQ plus AP into PQ. Whether this is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now area of trapezium APRC, green वाला. So इसमें perpendicular जो parallel lines है वो AP और CR है और perpendicular distance है PR. Right? So half into AP plus CR into PR. Clear? Now the orange one. Orange में BQ और CR parallel lines है और QR perpendicular distance है. So half into BQ plus CR into QR. Whether this is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Now
sir.
in the next page, see carefully. I am going to substitute all the values. BQ, AP, QP, AP plus CR, PR, BQ, CR और QR का वैल्यू सब्सटीट्यूट कर दिया हूँ मैं. BQ Y2 था और AP Y1 था और PQ जो था वो X1 minus X2 था and the value of AP is Y1, the value of CR is Y3 and the value of PR is X3 minus X1 and the value of BQ is Y2 and the value of CR is Y3 and the value of QR is X3 minus X2. Now what we will do, we will take half common लेके simplify करेंगे. Simplify करेंगे तो हम लोग को ये वाला मिलेगा. This is the area of triangle formula. Now area of triangle जो है वो positive value होता है. ठीक है, we have to take only positive value. So while solving you may get sometime negative value also. So you have to take positive only. So thus the area of triangle ABC is the numerical value. Why numerical value is written? You should take only the positive value, not with along with sign of the expression this one. So this is the derivation of area of triangle formula. Okay, now अभी जैसे मैंने कहा कि न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू और एरिया पॉजिटिव होना चाहिए, तो इसलिए इस फॉर्मूला में हम लोग क्या करेंगे, मॉड लगाएंगे. विल यूज मॉड्यूलस साइन. सो मॉड्यूलस साइंस whatever the sign will be there inside, it will become plus only. Whether this is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now for finding the area of triangle, you have to remember this formula. Okay. अगर मान लो फॉर्मूला से नहीं करना है, so there is one more alternative method which is very easy. No need to by heart any formula. That I am going to explain. That also you can apply in your examination. In fact, this is not in the syllabus for this academic year, that is 2020-21. अगर होता तो you can apply that method also. Okay. Now alternative method. Now the three coordinates x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. We are writing in this order. See carefully. First coordinate, second coordinate, third coordinate, repeat the first one. Whether this order is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
See,
sir.
first coordinate, second coordinate, third coordinate, and whatever you wrote in the first coordinate, that you have to repeat. Now this cross multiplication rule you know. कि जब ऊपर से नीचे की ओर मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो साइन चेंज नहीं करना है. ओके, व्हेन यू मल्टीप्लाई फ्रॉम डाउन टू अप, बॉटम टू अप, देन यू हैव टू चेंज द साइन, राइट. तो ये हो जाएगा x1 y2 and this will become x2 y1. Again this will become x2 y3, this will become minus x3 y2, this will become plus x3 y1 and this will become minus x1 y3. ये साइन चेंज होने वाला सिस्टम समझ में आ गया. ऑलरेडी क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट क्रॉस मेथड मल्टीप्लिकेशन हम लोग क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड में किए थे लीनियर इक्वेशन में. सो वैसे ही है ये. ओके, ऊपर टॉप टू बॉटम नो चेंज इन साइन, बॉटम टू टॉप चेंज इन साइन. सो यू विल गेट दिस एक्सप्रेशन. अब इसमें क्या करना है बता रहा हूं, सी केयरफुली. x1 जहां पर है, x1 इज हियर एंड हियर, उसको आप ग्रुपिंग करेंगे. और x2 देखो, दिस टू, और x3 ये है. So we'll make a grouping ऐसे. Now from this two we'll take x1 common, from this two we'll take x2 common, and from this two we'll take x3 common. मैं formula derive कर रहा हूँ alternative method से. So this is the formula. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Now I'm
No,
going
sir.
to show one example how to use this alternative method in our questions. See, this is the first example. Find the area of triangle triangle ABC whose vertices are A 2 7, B 3 minus 7 and C minus 5 6. अभी हम लोग क्या करेंगे, इसको उस ऑर्डर पे लिखेंगे. हम लोग फॉर्मूला देख लो, इस ऑर्डर पे लिखेंगे. फर्स्ट कोऑर्डिनेट 2 7, सेकंड कोऑर्डिनेट 3 minus 1, थर्ड कोऑर्डिनेट minus 5 6 and the repeat the first one. So ये उस ऑर्डर पे लिख दिए. This is clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now rule you have to follow na, because when we multiply from top to bottom, towards top to bottom, no change in sign. तो ये हो जाएगा -2 and this will become, what this will become?
-21.
Very good, -21. और 3 into 6 18, no change. -1 into -5 plus 5, sign change, -5. -5 into 7 -35, no change in sign. 6 into 2 12, sign change. तो ये मिलेगा हम लोग को. देखो ध्यान से, 2 into -1 -2, 7 into 3 21 होता है बट साइन चेंज -21. 3 into 8 18, no change in sign. -1 into -5 plus 5, change the sign. -5 into 7 -35, no change. 6 into 2 12 but sign change. ये समझ में आ गया? एक दो बार ड्रिलिंग करोगे तो आराम से कर लोगे. सी, नो नीड टू रिमेम्बर एनी फार्मूला, और ये कभी गलत भी नहीं होगा. हम लोग किसी भी ऑर्डर पे लिख सकते हैं. हम वी कैन स्टार्ट इट फ्रॉम बी सी ए ऑल्सो. समझ में आ रहा है? लेकिन जो पहले लिखेंगे कोऑर्डिनेट, वही कोऑर्डिनेट बाद में रिपीट करना है. if I want to start from 3 minus 1, I can start from 3 minus 1, but 3 minus 1 should be repeated here. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now see, अब इसमें जितने भी प्लस है और जितने भी माइनस है, सबको देख लो. -23 और ये पूरा ऐड कर रहे हैं, कितना हो रहा है? -40 -52. So we'll get 18 minus 75. So -57 is coming, but because of this mod, it will become +57, and 57 by 6 is 28.5 square units. So hence the area of given triangle is 28.5 square units. Any doubt? We'll see one more example. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Now see one more example. Find the area of triangle whose vertices are 1, -1, -4, 6 and -3, -5. Okay, and again we have to write first. पहला लाइन तो लिखना है कि let the vertices of the triangle be, first को ले लो A, B and C. This is the first statement, first line of our solution. Now write that formula. यही हम लोग के लिए फॉर्मूला है. कई लोग ये लिख देते हैं, एरो मार्क नहीं लगाते, बट यू हैव टू पुट द एरो मार्क आल्सो. Now what is the first coordinates? 1, -1 you have to write here, -4, 6 you have to write here, -3, -5 you have to write here, and this need to repeat here. ये समझ में आ गया? Whether this order is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now see, मैं अब साइन के बारे में डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. What you will get, that you have to say. One in either, ये वाला
Plus
+6.
+6. This one
-4.
-4. Very good. We are getting +4, but we have to change the sign, so -4. Right, very good. This one
20.
+20. Okay, fine. This one,
+18.
right. We are getting -18, but we have to change the sign, +18. This one
+3.
+3. Very good. And this one
+5.
+5. We are getting -5, but we have to change the sign. चलो अभी वो सबको हम लोग यहाँ पे लिख दिए. Right. Now add all the positive numbers. पूरे पॉजिटिव नंबर्स को ऐड करो, देन -4. सो पूरे को ऐड करने से 52 आ रहा है. 52 - 4 कितना हो गया?
48.
डिवाइडेड बाय 2
24.
24. So 24 square unit is the answer. Hence the area of triangle is 24 square units. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, okay. Now let us start the first question of the exercise 7.3. Again, मैं फिर से बता रहा हूँ, this exercise will not come in your exam because in this year board exam, क्योंकि ये topic already remove कर दिए हैं इस academic year के लिए. So find the area of triangle whose vertices are. So first bit 2, 3, -1, 0, 2, -4. So I would like to take A, B, C. Okay, फिर वही फॉर्मूला लिखो. First coordinate I told you 2, 3. Second -1, 0. Third 2, -4. Then repeat the first one. यहाँ पर repeat करो first one को. उसी ऑर्डर पे लिख दिए. किसी को कोई डाउट है यहाँ पे?
No, sir.
Okay. Now you tell me the values. Half into first one
0.
0. Next
+3.
+3. Actually we are getting -3, but we have to change the sign. This one +4.
+4.
This one
-2.
0. 0. कौन -2 बोला? Okay. This one +6. This one +8. Okay. Mute your mics. So what you told, just that I'm going to write 0 +3 +4 0 +6 +8. Okay. सभी प्लस है इसमें, 0 को हटा दो. So we are getting 21. So 21 by 2, final answer 10.5 square units. Hence the area of the triangle is 10.5 square units. So this is the first bit. Now we are going to start the second bit. Second bit is we are taking, let the vertices of triangle ABC be A, B, C. अभी वही वाला फॉर्मूला लिख रहे हैं हम लोग, ध्यान से देखो. वी आर राइटिंग द सेम फॉर्मूला. x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. रिपीट द फर्स्ट वन. ओके, दैट इज x1 y1. सो इसी ऑर्डर में लिख रहे हैं हम लोग. -5 -1 3 -5 5 2 and repeat the first one. -5 -1. Okay, now you have to tell me the sign. First one
25.
plus 25. This one.
Plus 3.
Very good.
Plus 3.
This one.
6 plus 6.
This one.
6
Plus 25.
Plus
plus
25. Fine.
25
This one.
Plus 5.
Plus 5.
Minus 5. No change in sign. जो आ रहा वही लिखना है ऊपर से नीचे. Minus 5. And this one.
plus 10
Plus 10.
plus 10
Right. Mute your mics. So I repeat once again. Plus 25. Plus 3. Plus 6. Plus 25. Minus 5. Plus 10. Okay. This is clear. Now.
Yes, sir.
25, 25, 50, 69 minus 5. It will be 64.
32.
Yes, answer is 32 square units. Hence, the area of triangle is 32 square units. Okay. Now let us move towards the second question. Second question is based on collinear. So, actually, अगर मान लो एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल, इफ द एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल इज इक्वल्स टू 0, देन इट्स वर्टाइसेस विल बी कोलिनियर. सो कोलिनियर चेक करने का ये सबसे आसान तरीका है. इट इज वेरी इजी मेथड टू चेक वेदर द वर्टाइसेस 3 कोऑर्डिनेट्स आर कोलिनियर और नॉट. सिंपली एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल चेक करो, 0 आ रहा है तो कोलिनियर है, अगर 0 नहीं आ रहा है तो कोलिनियर नहीं है. एंड इफ इट इज गिवन कोलिनियर, then we can conclude that the area of triangle is equals to 0. This is clear, all of you? Okay. दो चीजें बता रहा हूं मैं. If the area of triangle is equals to 0, then its vertices will be collinear. If A, B, C are collinear, then the area of triangle is equals to 0. So now, in first bit, what is given that the points are collinear and we need to find the value of k. So हम लोग क्या करेंगे, पहले area of triangle find करेंगे. So area of triangle find करने के लिए we'll take it as A, B, C. Okay. Now वही वाला फॉर्मूला मैं यूज कर रहा हूँ अभी जो alternative method वाला, but you have to write this expression. ये लिखने के बाद अब यहाँ पे फर्स्ट कोऑर्डिनेट सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे 7 minus 2, सेकेंड कोऑर्डिनेट्स 5 1, थर्ड कोऑर्डिनेट 3k and repeat the first one, that is 7 minus 2. This order is clear to all of you? Okay. Now first this one, what is the value of this one?
7
7. This one
plus 10.
plus 10.
10
This one
5k.
okay
5k plus 5k. Okay. This one
minus
3.
minus 3. Right. Very good. This one
Minus 6.
minus 6. This one
minus
7.
7
very good. Okay. Now mute your mics. I will repeat once again. Half into 7 plus 10 plus 5k minus 3 minus 6 minus 7k. Okay. So this 2 will become minus 2k and 17 minus 9. 17 minus 9 will become 8. So we'll get 8 minus 2k. And now we are going to write that statement. क्या कि if A, B, C are collinear, then area of triangle is equals to 0 square units. So that means now we can equate this with 0. This step is clear to all of you?
yes sir
Okay. Now if you equate with 0, you will get 8 minus 2k is equals to 0. Or 2k will be equals to 8. So what is the value of k?
4k.
4 only. 4 only. So k is equals to 4. So this is the first bit. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
We'll start the second bit. Now we'll start the second bit. That is 8 1 k minus 4 2 minus 5. So same method I'm going to use. देखो इसको फॉर्मूला मेथड से भी कर सकते हैं, बट दिस मेथड इज वेरी इजी. नो नीड टू रिमेंबर द फार्मूला, क्योंकि फार्मूला से करते समय कभी कभी y1 y2 उल्टा लिख देते हैं तो आंसर गलत आ जाता है, तो इसमें तो कोई दिक्कत ही नहीं है. So let the vertices of triangle ABC be A, B, C. Now write the formula. What just I told you that area of triangle ABC is equals to half mod of x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Repeat the first one, that is x1 y1 with cross multiplication symbols. Now this is first coordinate, तो यहाँ पर 8 1 आएगा. This is the second coordinate, k minus 4. This is the third coordinate, we'll get 2 minus 5. Then repeat the first one, that is 8 1. So we replaced. Any doubt in this one? Okay. Now what is the value of this?
minus 32.
Minus 32. This one
Minus k.
minus k. This one
minus 5
Minus 5.
minus 5k. This one
plus
plus 8. Right. This one
minus 2.
no plus 2
Plus
plus 2
Plus 2.
plus 2. This one
plus 40
plus 40. Very good. Now mute all of you. Now I'm going to repeat half into minus 32 minus k minus 5k plus 8 plus 2 plus 40. Okay, minus k minus 5k will become minus 6k, and this is 50. So 50 minus 32 will be 18. So finally we'll get half into 18 minus 6k. This is clear, all of you? Calculation is clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now again we are going to write the same formula, that we know that if A, B, C are collinear, then area of triangle is equals to 0 square units. So we can equate this with 0. Okay. So this will imply 18 minus 6k is equals to 0, and this will imply 6k is equals to 18. So what is the value of k?
3.
3. Right. So this is the final answer. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Now we are moving towards the third question. This is very good question. Find the area of triangle found by the joining the midpoints of the sides of the triangle whose vertices are 0, minus 1, 2, 1 and 0, 3. Find the ratio of this area to the area of the given triangle. So सबसे पहले हम लोग इसको ABC triangle ले लेते हैं. Okay, A vertices 0, minus 1 and B is 2, 1 and C is 0, 3. So now we are going to draw the diagram. Let D is the midpoint of AB, E is the midpoint of BC and F is the midpoint of AC. And the line joining these midpoints is the triangle DEF. Now we have to find the area of triangle DEF and area of triangle, the given triangle, that is ABC. Okay, so पहले triangle ABC निकालते हैं हम लोग. So using, but before that we should find the coordinates of D, E and F. How will you find the coordinate of D? How will you find the coordinate of D?
Distance formula.
No, midpoint formula. D is the midpoint of AB. So what is the coordinate of D? 0 plus 2 by 2 minus 1 plus 1 by 2. So you will get 1, 0. This is the coordinate of D. Any doubt in coordinates of D? Okay. Now how will you find the coordinate of E? 2 plus 0 by 2, 1 plus 3 by 2. That is midpoint formula. And we'll get 1 here, and here what we are going to get here?
2. 1.
Yes, 1 and 2. Next, we have to find the coordinates of F. So 0 plus 0 by 2 and minus 1 plus 3 by 2. So we'll get 0 here, and here we'll get 1. So we got the coordinates of D, E and F. Right. Now we have to find the area of the given triangle, that is ABC, and then the area of triangle DEF. Chalo, now let us find the area of triangle ABC. First we'll write that formula, that the alternative method. So this is the first coordinate. First coordinate is 0, -1. Second coordinate 2, 1. Third coordinate 0, 3. And then repeat the first one like that. Whether this is clear, all of you? Now you tell me the answers. This one, this value is 0,
0
and this value is
plus 2
plus 2,
Plus
right?
2. Plus 2.
This value is
6
plus 6. This one
0
0. This one
0
this one
0.
0
Okay, I am repeating. Half into 0 plus 2 plus 6 plus 0 plus 0 minus 0. Okay, ये पूरा 0 है और ये 0, इसको छोड़ दो, and we are getting plus 8. So half into 8 is 4 square unit. So this is the area of triangle ABC. Now we have to find the area of triangle DEF. So D का कोऑर्डिनेट था, मैं यहाँ पे लिख देता हूँ 1, 0, एंड F का कोऑर्डिनेट था 1, 2, E का, और F का कोऑर्डिनेट था 0, 1. सो ध्यान से देखो, अगेन वी आर गोइंग टू यूज द सेम फार्मूला, सेम मेथड, बट फर्स्ट हम लोग 1, 0 लिखेंगे, फिर 1, 2 लिखेंगे, फिर 0, 1 लिखेंगे, देन रिपीट द फर्स्ट वन. वेदर दिस इज क्लियर ऑल ऑफ यू?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now
Yes, sir.
this will be 2 minus 0 plus 1 minus 0 plus 0 minus 1. देखो ये 1 और plus 1 और minus 1 cancel हो जाएगा, and what we are getting only 2. So half into 2 mod of 2, you will get 1 square unit, right? अब क्वेश्चन में हम लोग को निकालना था, we have to find the ratio of this triangle to the given triangle. So what is the ratio?
4:1.
4/1.
1 by 4. This triangle to the given triangle. So 1 by 4, that is 1:4. Now we are moving towards the last question of today's session, that is find the area of the quadrilateral whose vertices taken in order are, इसको A ले रहा हूं मैं, B, C और D. Okay. Now we will draw the diagram also. इसमें we will join AC. AC divides quadrilateral into two triangles, 1 and 2. See carefully. If we add these two triangles, we'll get the area of quadrilateral. Join AC, then quadrilateral ABCD divides it into two triangles, that is ABC and CDA or ACD. Now we are going to find the area of triangle 1 by 1. दोनों triangles का area हम लोग एक एक करके निकालेंगे. So first we are going to find the area of triangle ABC. ABC के लिए first coordinate ये है. This is the first coordinate, second, third. So we'll put in this formula -4 -2, -3 -5, 3 -2. Repeat the first one, that is -4 -2. Whether this is clear, all of you? Okay. Next, now you tell me the value. माइक ऑफ करो, जिसके पास नॉइज आ रहा है वो माइक ऑफ करो. This is plus 20. Okay, Akifa, I'm not listening you. What is the answer of this one?
Sir, plus 6.
Plus 6. But you have to change the sign.
-6.
-6. Here, Akifa, you only tell me.
-6.
No. ऊपर से नीचे के समय साइन चेंज नहीं करना है. +6 only.
Plus 6.
This one?
-15.
-15 आ रहा है बट साइन चेंज करना है नीचे से ऊपर +15 हियर
+6.
साइन चेंज नहीं करना आकिफा ऊपर से
-6.
नीचे की ओर जब मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं साइन चेंज नहीं करना है so 3 into -2 -6 as it is no change now here we have to change what you are getting
-6.
right क्योंकि मल्टीप्लाई करने से +8 आ रहा है इसलिए साइन चेंज करना है फिर से मैं रिपीट कर रहा हूँ ध्यान से सुनो ऑल ऑफ यू म्यूट योर माइक हाफ इंटू 20 -6 +6 +15 -6 -8 ओके सो इसमें ये दोनों कैंसिल कर सकते हैं +6 -6 एंड 20 15 35 होता है 35 -14 so we are getting 21/2 square units. So this is the area of triangle ABC. Now we have to find the area of triangle ACD या CDA. So फिर से उसी ऑर्डर पे लिख दिए हम लोग फर्स्ट कोऑर्डिनेट सेकंड कोऑर्डिनेट and the third coordinate. Repeat the first one. Now multiply this two. What you are getting? 9. No change in sign. फिर ये दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करो
+4.
+4 right
+4
this two
-4.
-4 this two
+12.
+12
right this two
+8.
+8 right this two
+6.
+6 right now mute all of you half into 9 + 4 -4 + 12 +8 +6 so इसमें ये दोनों कैंसिल हो जाएगा and we are getting 26 + 9 that is 35 so 35/2 square units. Now I told you that how will you find the area of quadrilateral ABCD? We have to add these two areas. So area of quadrilateral ABCD it is equals to the area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD CDA. Now this area is 21/2 and this is 35/2 दोनों का denominator same है so 21 + 35/2 this is 56/2 and the final answer is
28/2.
yes 28 square units. So this is the last section of today's session assignment questions. All these 4 questions are area of triangle to find the area of triangle based questions and one question is quadrilateral to find the area of quadrilateral. Okay, so you have to complete and send me through WhatsApp and you have to complete in your homework copy. So that's all for today's session. Thank you very much. So any doubt in today's session?
No, sir.
You please watch once
No,
again.
sir.
I will upload after 10C class that is 3:10. Please watch once again and I have to go at school at 4 also. स्कूल से आने के बाद मैं अपलोड करूँगा एक बार फिर से देख लेना for better understanding.